welcome to the ECM Market Report for today, the 30th of June, end of the financial year. About 730 cattle yarded here in total, in a pretty firm to probably dearer market on the younger cattle. Best of the cows here topped out at $3.26, and some of your working cows are sort of making that $2.45 to about $2.75. Bullocks, however, they were probably about 8 to 10 cents dearer. They topped out at $3.68, weighing 735 kilos.
Trade cattle here today were a little bit easier on last week, probably quality related. Anyway, the best of the trade cattle here topped out at $5.30 for these really nice vealers. Anyway, they made from anywhere from $4.70 up to $5.30.
The steers here today were still strong. All the black steers are making $4.70 through to $5.30 for the lighter end of it. Crossy steers are making $4.30 through to $4.65. Pretty strong feeder market. Restocker Angus steers were again here strong there today. That 200 to 250 kilo steers you needed $6.20 to $6.60, and the 250 to 320 kilo cattle you needed $5.20 to $5.80. Still very strong.
With a good offering of restocker heifers here today, these ones here making from $4.70 up to $5.30.
The yarding of 8 bulls here today, bulls topped at $2.90 on a weaker market.